Over 3,000 years ago, ancient yogis unlocked the secrets to controlling reality through the practice of yoga. Their profound wisdom was captured in the Yoga Sutras, a foundational text attributed to the sage Patanjali. Within this text, the concept of Siddhis is introduced, extraordinary abilities or superpowers that arise when one reaches the highest levels of yogic mastery. These Siddhis represent the ultimate potential of human consciousness, achievable through deep dedication and practice. The ancient yogis described 8 extraordinary Siddhis or superpowers that one can attain through mastery of yoga. Anima Siddhi, the ability to perceive the microscopic world, seeing the smallest details invisible to the naked eye. Mahima Siddhi, the power to become infinitely large, expanding one's awareness to perceive the vast structures of galaxies. Laghima Siddhi, the ability to become weightless, lighter than air itself, defying gravity. Garima Siddhi, the power to become infinitely heavy, immovable by any force, even as dense as a black hole, capable of piercing the fabric of space and time. Prapti Siddhi, the ability to instantly travel or be anywhere at will, removing the limitations of space and distance. It's said that with this power, one could even touch the moon with a finger. Prakamya Siddhi, the power to manifest desires or materialize objects out of thin air. Ishita Siddhi, the ability to create, destroy, and gain mastery over creation and annihilation. Vashita Siddhi, the power to control the 5 elements of nature, fire, air, ether, earth, and water, as well as the mind, including abilities like hypnosis. Among all these practices, the most fundamental and simplest is mastering the breath. The breath is the gateway to controlling the mind, body, and ultimately, reality itself. In yoga, the breath is referred to as the Kurma Nadi. The word kurma translates to tortoise, a creature that can thrive both on land and in water, symbolizing the breath's ability to connect the physical and spiritual realms. The Yoga Sutras explain that by practicing samyama, a combination of concentration, meditation, and deep absorption, on the Kurma Nadi, one achieves stability of mind, which in turn brings stability to the body. When you master the breath, you master the mind and body. And once you master the mind and body, you gain control over reality itself. In this video, I'll show you how to use the breath to direct your energy, create a powerful energetic field around you, and attract the circumstances and events you desire into your life. In yoga, it's believed that the body has 72,000 energy channels, or nadis, literally meaning rivers. These nadis are pathways for prana to flow. Prana is the life force energy. When these channels are blocked, energy gets stuck, leading to physical, mental, or emotional imbalances. The breath itself is a nadi, called the Kurma Nadi, which acts as a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. Just as a tortoise can move between land and water, the breath allows us to function in the material world while connecting us to the spiritual realm. There are 3 primary nadis: the Ida, which is the left channel, the Pingala, which is right channel, and the Sushumna, which is the central channel. Most people operate in duality, with one nostril or channel dominating at any given time. For example, if you breathe onto your hand, you'll notice that one nostril is more active than the other. The goal is to balance these channels, as this balance activates the central channel, the Sushumna Nadi. When this channel is open, it allows Kundalini energy to rise, leading to higher states of consciousness. One of the most effective techniques for balancing the nadis is alternate nostril breathing, which is known as Nadi Shodhana in yoga. This practice harmonizes the Ida and Pingala channels, allowing both the logical left brain and the creative right brain to work in harmony. By alternating the breath between the left and right nostrils, you create equilibrium in your energy system, which helps open the Sushumna Nadi. Before diving into this practice, it's important to ensure that your posture and breathing technique are correct. Proper posture allows energy to flow freely through your spine, while diaphragmatic breathing ensures that you're drawing in the maximum amount of prana. Here's how to prepare for a proper posture. Sit or stand with your spine straight. Imagine a string pulling the crown of your head upward, aligning your neck and spine. This posture ensures that energy can flow unimpeded through your central channel. Here's how to prepare for diaphragmatic breathing. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. As you inhale, let your belly expand, drawing air deep into your lungs. On the exhale, gently contract your belly to push the air out. This type of breathing maximizes oxygen intake and energy flow. Once you've established proper posture and diaphragmatic breathing, you're ready to begin alternate nostril breathing. Here's how to do it. Use your right thumb to close your right nostril and inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril with your ring finger, release your right nostril, and exhale through the right. Inhale through the right nostril, then close it, and exhale through the left. Repeat this cycle for 5 to 10 rounds, feeling the balance between your left and right channels. When you start practicing alternate nostril breathing, you'll notice a profound shift in your energy levels and creativity. For example, in the morning, when your right nostril is more active, you'll feel more creative and focused. During the day, when your left nostril takes over, you might struggle with creative tasks. By balancing the breath, you tap into a deeper sense of harmony and flow, allowing you to operate at your highest potential. Now that you've balanced your energy channels through alternate nostril breathing and established proper posture and diaphragmatic breathing, you're ready to take the next step: magnetizing the spinal column. This process involves circulating energy through your spine, creating a magnetic field around it. Just as an electrical wire generates a magnetic field when current flows through it, your spine becomes a powerful energy conduit when prana, life force, circulates through it. The goal is to move energy from the base of your spine, the coccyx, to the crown, the Sahasrara chakra. There are two primary energy channels, one a few inches in front of your spine, and another slightly behind it. These channels are invisible but essential for energy flow. By moving energy up and down these channels in an alternating current, you tap into a vast source of free energy around you. When your energy flows freely, you feel unblocked, healthy, and connected to both the earth and the heavens. To take your practice to the next level, you can combine breathwork and energy circulation with visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that helps you clarify your goals and align your energy with your desires. There are two types of visualization. Goal visualization. Imagine your desired outcome as if it has already happened. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal: joy, gratitude, and fulfillment. This type of visualization helps you gain clarity on what you truly want. Process visualization. Visualize the steps you need to take to achieve your goal. See yourself taking action, overcoming obstacles, and moving closer to your desired outcome. This type of visualization helps you stay focused and motivated on your path. When you combine visualization with breathwork and energy circulation, you create a powerful synergy that accelerates the manifestation process. Think of it as building your manifestation muscles. Just as you go to the gym to strengthen your body, this practice strengthens your ability to create the life you want. Start with alternate nostril breathing. Begin your practice with 5 to 10 rounds of alternate nostril breathing to balance the Ida and Pingala channels. This prepares your energy system for deeper work. Move to magnetizing the spinal column. Once your energy is balanced, shift your focus to circulating energy through your spine. Visualize energy rising up the back channel on the inhale and descending down the front channel on the exhale. Repeat this 10 to 15 times, feeling the energy grow stronger with each breath. Incorporate visualization. After circulating energy, spend a few minutes visualizing your goals. Use goal visualization to clarify your desires and process visualization to map out the steps to achieve them. Integrate all practices daily. Make this combination a daily habit. Over time, you'll notice increased energy, mental clarity, and a deeper connection to your higher self. Balanced energy. Alternate nostril breathing harmonizes the left and right channels, reducing stress and enhancing creativity. Enhanced energy flow. Magnetizing the spinal column unblocks stagnant energy, improving physical and emotional health. Higher consciousness. When the Sushumna Nadi is activated, Kundalini energy rises, leading to spiritual awakening and higher states of awareness. Manifestation power. By combining these practices with visualization, you can accelerate the manifestation of your goals and desires. Once you start breathing deeply and correctly, you'll become more conscious and your life will transform. Just by practicing diaphragmatic breathing, you'll experience less stress, fewer unwanted situations, and greater control over your mind and body. In yoga, it's well known that mastering the breath can lead to Kavalikumbhaka, a state where the breath naturally slows down to just a few breaths per minute. This isn't about forcing it. It happens naturally as you learn to breathe correctly. When your breath slows, your resting heart rate lowers and you open yourself to higher frequencies of energy. If your breathing is erratic, your heart rate is high and your life feels chaotic. On the other hand, people in higher vibrational states are calm, present, and not in a rush. If you're always rushing or feeling like life is passing you by, it's a sign that your energy body is out of balance. The same goes for feeling sluggish. It's often a result of rushing internally, even if you're moving slowly externally. By mastering the breath, balancing your energy channels, and combining these practices with visualization, you can create your own reality. These ancient yogic techniques are not just theoretical, they are practical tools that you can use every day to transform your mind, body, and spirit. Start your journey today. Practice alternate nostril breathing, magnetizing the spinal column, and visualization, and watch as your life begins to shift in profound and unexpected ways. The power to create the life you desire is already within you. All you need to do is breathe.